Hi guys, for today's video, we're going to make a Nutella Crepé. So this is Helen Tanya Moore. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me. With me is Rim Malala. So, wanna know how we make this?
God, you can see.
Let's go! So the ingredients, we need 1 cup of flour. We put it in a mixing bowl. Then this time we're going to put a little bit of salt, 1 spoon of sugar. Then we need 3 eggs. And also we need a 1 spoon of cooking oil, or you can use butter if you want. Then we're going to mix it by using the blender. Until they will all mix. Then this time we're going to add a 1 cup of milk. Then mix it again until they will become smooth and combine properly or mix. Then we can start making our crepe. So we switch on the fire, then we're going to put the pan. Then this time we're going to put a little bit of butter, or you can use a frying oil, so that your crepe will not going to stick. So after we put it, now we are ready to put the liquid one, or the crepe ingredients. Then you have to spread it at both sides so that you can get a perfect circle. Then you can turn it upside down slowly until they will get a little bit brown. So as you can see, it's already brown. So now it's already done. So we have already 1 crepe. This time we're going to put Nutella on it. Then you can add some strawberries or any fruits you want to put on your crepe. Then you can roll it, or you can fold it half. You can also put banana on your Nutella. So it only depends on you how you want the flavor of your crepe. Then you can put some Nutella on the top. So that's all. And overall we get 6 pieces of crepe. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. So that's all for our Nutella crepe. Thank you and bye bye.